This lady has one of the weirdest parrot behaviors I've ever seen. This is a really weird product that's supposed to make your neck absolutely ripped. These kids have developed a new technique to get dizzy. A cardinal stopped by to say hello, but when it was time to say goodbye, he didn't want to go.
He likes you, honey.
This is a perfect animation of balls going through straight lines and rotating curves. This girl lured the frogs to show how they hunt prey.
Woo! Go, Dad!
This rat got too excited about bread.
That means I don't want to go. Dina. Look at that. Go! We're going home.
These people drop a bucket into the ocean and this beluga whale was so kind to give it back. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!